Welcome to the Doolittle Room on board the Yorktown. There's about 12,000 fifth graders coming on board. Well, out of all the counties in the state of South Carolina, we've got far more fifth graders than 12,000 that won't get to come to Patriots Point this year. What we're doing now, and what we did in Abbeville County, was we took the Yorktown to them. Good morning, my name is Mr. Al. How many of you have been to Patriots Point? And you know what the first thing you're going to see when you get there? Can each of you hold a corner? Hold that up. You are going to see the USS Yorktown aircraft carrier.
Al was able to come out today and bring Patriots Point to us. He was able to go through the books that were sent, Harry I Was and Oscar I Am.
We talked about Willie Johnston, the youngest Medal of Honor recipient, age 12, Civil War. Guess how old Willie was when he received the Medal of Honor? 12. How old are you guys? 11, 10. Just think, a year older than you. These fifth graders are 10, 11 years old. And I challenge them, you can stand for truth, you can stand for what's right, you can stand for what's honorable even when you're 10, 11 years old.
I think that's just wonderful that we were sent the books for the students to incorporate into their classrooms.
Somebody has been reading well. Oscar I Am, and his two friends are Hank and Hannah. Hank, Hannah, Oscar, H2O. Water.
Today was a lot of fun because we got to learn about oxygen and hydrogen molecules and about the USS Yorktown.
So I need one guy, one gal. Would you help me?
We were so impressed with the way that he was able to interact with our students and keep them focused and attentive and keep their interest in the books, because we have been able to go through the books and keep them in line with our standards and our lessons. He was able to show them pictures.
It really helped the students see that they were actually learning things about our history and about science and about our state.
How many of you like science? Better than history? How many like both? As part of the books that we use, we also take with us, it's what we call a zapper. It's augmented reality. So as they're reading the book and they see the symbol on the page where they can actually take their tablet and they can zap onto that icon. And whatever that chapter is about, that chapter is being augmented and supplemented. They're holding the tablet. They're using the zapper. They're getting to experience lunch with Lincoln.
This is what we used when I went to school. It's a slate board. Paper.
Write on that?
With chalk.
It draws them in, and now they're participating and they're growing and learning that way.
The students were really able to interact with him, answering questions. He was able to get them involved in what we've been reading in class through the experience they would get if they were to go to Patriots Point.
The areas that I get to go into, very few of the students have been here.
We are excited to be able to hopefully take our fifth graders down to Charleston. For some of them, it'll be their first trip to Charleston, and it may be one of the only they'll ever get. So it's really exciting to be able to offer this to them, and it's right in line with our standards, so it'll be bringing history right to life for them.
And when you get to the end of the pier and you walk onto the Yorktown, you're stepping on history. You're walking where heroes walk.